Here's how to stop pop-up ads on Android. Now, if you're on your Android phone and either within Google Chrome or various apps have pop-ups, I'm going to show you how to block those pop-ups. The first thing we're going to do is open up the Google Chrome app, and let's make sure they're blocked in here. After you've opened Google Chrome, tap on the three dots at the top right, scroll down from here, and then tap on Settings at the bottom. After you've done that, scroll down again until you get towards the bottom and tap on Site Settings. Next, let's scroll down from here, and you can see towards the bottom is pop-ups and redirects, and it's currently set to allowed. So let's just tap on that and make sure to select don't allow sites to send pop-ups and use redirects. However, this is just for Google Chrome. You might have pop-ups on apps or various other places. Let's take care of those too. So let's hop out of here and swipe up. Find the Settings app on your iPhone. And from here, the first thing we're going to do is scroll down to the bottom and tap on Apps towards the bottom. And then go through this list to see if there are any apps that you don't recognize that have full control to be able to send you pop-ups or various notifications. So for instance, I'm just going to use Facebook as an example. On here, if you get notifications and you don't want to get those pop-up notifications, just tap on Notifications. And if it's set to allowed, just toggle it off to don't allow or deny permission. The next thing we're going to do is tap the back arrow and scroll down and tap on Battery. You can see three different options on here. If this app runs in the background and constantly notifies you or pops up, you can set it to restricted. Essentially, this restricts its ability to run in the background when you're not using it. The next thing we're going to do is tap the back arrow at the top left, tap the back arrow again, and tap the back arrow again. From here, let's scroll up and choose where it says, scroll down again, Security and Privacy, midway down. From here, scroll down and tap on App Security and check to see if Google Play Protect is turned on. You can tap on it and you can tap on Scan to scan all of the apps to make sure there's not malicious apps on your Android phone that are popping up because they're not good apps to have on there. You can see in my case, no harmful apps found. Next, let's tap the back arrow. Let's go back to your settings and tap the back arrow. And then scroll down and make sure Auto Blocker is turned on. You can see on here, it says Auto Blocker helps keep you safe from security threats, suspicious activity, and privacy risks. So if that is turned off, just toggle that on. And next, we're going to tap the back arrow yet again. And we're going to go down and tap on permissions used in the last 7 days. You'll be able to see on here all of the apps that have used your various permissions: contacts, call logs, text messages, music, photos, etc. If you don't recognize any of these apps, or if you want to just tap on apps to get the full list of apps that have used various things, and you don't want that app to use it, all you need to do is tap on the app and then tap on the three dots at the top right. And then tap Manage Permission for this app, because potentially that app gets permission to do lots of stuff, including having pop-ups, and it's just not a good app to be able to notify you or access your camera, etc. So to basically remove that, all you need to do is tap on it and then switch it to Don't Allow, and that should prevent pop-ups from both Google Chrome as well as within apps. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.